Are you looking to get started with ClickFunnels? Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm sharing my complete ClickFunnels bonus stack with you so that you can get started with ClickFunnels in the right way. So let's get into it. So let's get into my ClickFunnels bonus stack. I am going through a blog post on my blog that talks about my bonus. And if you're ready to get started with ClickFunnels, don't forget to click on the link in the description box for your free 14-day trial. And then send me an email and I'll send across to you all of these bonuses. So the first bonus I'm offering is unlimited email support from me. So when I got started with ClickFunnels around 2 years back, it was really difficult for me to kind of understand the software, and I had a steep learning curve, and I want to help reduce that curve for you. I have used ClickFunnels as a service provider, as a course creator, and as an affiliate marketer. So I really know the platform and I can help you get started with ClickFunnels as well as affiliate marketing, or if you're building a funnel for your course or service, I can really help you with that, and you get unlimited email support from me if you use my link to join ClickFunnels. The next bonus is my complete content system. This is a system I created to help myself and my students improve their content quality and be able to repurpose content on a regular basis. So this course consists of a bunch of videos and templates and workflows to help you get started with content in the right way. The next bonus that I'm sharing is my flagship course, Bots Automation Lab. If you know me and if you've been in my Facebook group, you know that this course is thebomb.com. So basically, it's a course about how you can use Facebook Messenger bots in your business, whether you are a service provider, whether you are a course creator, whether you have digital products, or even if you're an affiliate marketer. This course takes you step by step through the process, and you get lifetime access to this course if you keep using ClickFunnels under my link. The next bonus is the Launch Ready Kit template. This is a complete built-in template in ClickFunnels, and I will share this template with you. All you have to do is click on a button to install this template into your ClickFunnels account. Now let me show you this template. This is basically a 5-page template with an opt-in page, a thank you page, a webinar broadcast room where you can set up the webinar, an order page, and a confirmation page. So the entire funnel is built for you. All you have to do is go inside and change your images and change your text. And how will you do that? You will do that with my next bonus, which is the ClickFunnels A-Z course. I'm teaching you everything that's inside of ClickFunnels. In this course, you'll be able to learn exactly how you can start using ClickFunnels for your business. The next bonus is the affiliate marketing mini course. This course will help you get started with affiliate marketing on the right foot. The next bonus is huge. It is access to a complete software bundle. You get 6 software that you can start using in your business today. The first software is Invoicing You. It's basically an invoicing software that you can use to receive payments for your services and products. The next software is Sticky Reviews. This is a software that displays social proof. So whenever you go on a landing page, you see this a little rectangle box pop up on the left or the right saying that this person just subscribed to this opt-in. This is that software. The third software is Domain Leads. This will help you get fresh leads daily. The fourth software is Link Wizard. This software will help you track links so you can see where your traffic is coming from. The next software is RoboContact. This software will help you build a list of leads, and it will also do the cold outreach for you. The last software is Magic Zap. This software helps you build customized sales pages and along with automations that will fire when someone visits your website. The next ClickFunnels bonus is a share funnel library. I think this can be a big help for you because there are funnels that can be shared inside the ClickFunnels platform. So you get the complete build customized funnel, and you can go ahead and change the funnel based on your requirements. So there are a bunch of funnels, 26 to be exact, in this shared library. You can archive older funnels and use new funnels as you move on. The next ClickFunnels bonus is great for affiliate marketers because this is a list of 122 recurring affiliate programs, which is great. If you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, this list will help you a lot. And even if you've been an affiliate marketer for a while, you'll get a ton of product ideas from this list. The next bonus is an ad swipe library. So you will get a list of Facebook ads, copy and images from people like Dan Henry, Liz Benny, who've been there, build $1 million business using Facebook ads. So you get this entire library of ads with this bonus. So all of these bonuses combined are worth $12,257. This is a huge ClickFunnels bonus stack, and I really want to help you get started on your journey with ClickFunnels, whether you're an affiliate marketer or a business owner. And I think this stack will really help you. So if you're ready to give ClickFunnels a try, click on the link in the description box to start your 14-day free trial. And I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notification. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.